Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be doing the ice thing, because if the ice storm game mode, because if you saw my video yesterday, you would have saw me go to Polar Peak and basically just watch the event. It was crazy, so if you haven't watched that video yet, go and check it out, because it doesn't have much views and I need views for it. So that makes sense. Okay, we're going to be dropping wherever the iceberg is. Where the eggs are. Actually, no. Mission failed already, guys. Mission failed. I think there's a chest here. You can go and pick it up quickly. Eat. Okay, we got a chest. We got our gliders, the good old glider. Oh no, just rip with that. Okay, we're gonna go for this dude over here. This punk. Yes, we got him. But the gliders fell, but that doesn't matter. Okay, we have two med kits to use. Okay, first skill for me today. Well, in this video, not today. Oh, damn it. I thought you could. Oh my god. I just had to keep med in. Sometimes this game can be annoying because I really wanted to edit that now. Okay, he didn't have much ammo. Let's just edit that real quick. And where should we go? You know I'm not going to be doing that. Zombies don't have much ammo, just a waste of time, I think. Wait, the tree? Where did that tree? The tree literally just, oh yeah, you broke it. Forward, it says tree, forward, let's break the tree. Okay, we have got another enemy. No, 2 enemies. 3 enemies. Oh, damn it. Okay, so that guy killed us. God killed me. I don't know how though, because I did I not headshot him with that dual pistols? Okay, I think I'm gonna have one more game and see how we do. Just I will be posting a few videos today, so keep your eyes out. Because I'm trying to get loads of videos done. So let's have another game. The Ice Queen. I'm not gonna get that. Definitely. You know, I got the male version, so there's no point. Let's rock this skin. Okay, these are some of the challenges. That glider. Quite cool. Okay. Sometimes it just takes so long. I'm gonna try a different server, you know. No, didn't get time. The last game. Let's get something out of this. There's literally like 3 people there. If I stayed there, I might have got all 3, but I wouldn't have got that kill. So, but at least I got a kill. Oh, it's nothing that special. By the way, guys, I don't know. It might be a year. I honestly don't know, but I'm saving up for a computer and some other cool tech stuff. So I might get a new channel. So just wanted to tell you in case you want to follow the videos. Okay, game number 2. A glitch. That happens quite a lot now, I think. I don't really know. I don't know why I'm tilted just to make the video quick in case there's not enough storage. Well, there'll probably be enough storage, but I might be able to fit another game in. You never know. Oh, that event yesterday was like so good, bro. Literally, it was so good. Say hello to my little friends. No! Come back here! Hey! Ha! That default deserved death. Oh, damn it! He came right in. I had 2 traps and that default survived both of them. Okay. I'm gonna have, because that goes only short, I think I'm gonna have one more go. Actually, no, I'm just gonna show my skins. I have quite a lot of skins now, as I started on season 4. So, I got Calamity, Carbide, Dire, Drift, Frostbite, Frozen Love Ranger, Ice King, Red Knight, Raven, Ragnarok, Panda Team Leader, Lynx, Frozen Red Knight. Or is it Frozen Red Knight? It's not even red. It should be Frozen. Frozen Raven, Vertex, Zenith, Archetype, Battlehawk, Leaf Boss, DJ Yonder, Dusk, Fable, Rook, Redline, Powder, Onesie, Nightshade, Merry Marauder, Huntress, Giddy Up, Sergeant Winter, Skull Trooper, Sledgehammer, Sunstrider, Technique, the Ace, Trog, Wingman, the Devastator, Special Forces, Midfield Marasto, don't really know why I got that skin, Longshot, Grimmels, Circuit Breaker, Arctic Assassin, Zoe, and Nuggles. So these are all my skins, and I had 2 games. Hope you enjoyed, and for now on, peace out.